Gusto niya mapapicture, guys. Oh! Oh! You wanna see it? Picture? Akala niya picture. Ah! Yung pampakuan sa ulo. Okay. Okay. Dance na siya. Hi, Kuya Matias. Nag-tiktok. May dancing eh. Hulo! Hoy! Be careful yun. Dance!
I want to see the picture. I want to see the picture.
You think mommy take a picture? Because he wants me to take picture, guys, with this massage head.
I want to see.
Guys, when we do his brother's school, he's quiet. He fall asleep. Knock out na number 4 pang kanahan oh. Number 4. Primero gara-gara pa siya. Tan-outan siya sa lida. Very good siya, not disturbing his brother while nag-school si brother. Sleep ang bata na mo naplangga. Himala nagnap. Kapoy siya sa iyang sayaw-sayaw ay while nagbutang og kadtong sing daw siya oh. You wanna sing You Got a Friend in Me? Dula lang daw siya anak. No, don't on and off. Mommy on it already. Here. Okay. Just use the joystick. How about the other one? What's this? What's this do? See? You like that? Okay. Look, brother. Blink si man lang. Link you. Good job. Hey, brother. Excavator here. Look, brother. Kalators mo na itong kanang kalators. Up. Makalat. Oop, excavator. Itong mga habol ba? Everywhere. Akong isa oh. Excavator.
Thank you for watching. Gunta magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.